Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul and I have so many new amazing finds to share with you guys. Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. And like I said, it's a Dollar Tree haul, and I found so many new amazing things at Dollar Tree that I couldn't wait to share with you guys. If you guys saw my last video, I shared with you guys all the great back to school items. Now today's video is going to be all about just the everyday items that you see, and then I have another one coming up for you guys of the new fall items, so stay tuned for that one. So let's just jump in with my favorite find, which was in the thumbnail, was this round serving tray right here. I believe some people have shared this with shared this online, or shared it on the YouTube videos, or even on the Facebook pages or Instagram before, but I've never seen them in my store. So it's like I've seen somebody shared it before a long while ago, but then I've never had it in my store. And luckily they brought it into 2 of my stores, so I was able to grab a total of 4 because I don't want to grab all of them that I see because I don't like doing that. So I grabbed 2 at one and 2 at another because I have so many ideas for this as far as organization and decor. And I love the fact that it's white, but I'm also going to, make it over, and some of them are going to be different colors. So I have one that I'll just keep white, and then the other 3 I'm going to do something to make it over, so stay tuned for that. But I love this serving tray. Again, like I already said, you can use it for organization. You can use it as a serving tray in the kitchen. You can use it for decor. So many things that you can use this tray for. And look how big it is, guys, for $1.25. So I had to grab 4 of them. So stay tuned to see how I make over some of them and how I'm going to use them to decorate and organize in my home. Another thing that I saw that was amazing is I'm starting to see a lot of this Main Street wall creation removable decals. I've seen a lot of them before, and this one right here caught my eye. I love it. It's kind of like that marble kind of, what they call that, a hexagon print. And so I got a couple of these to do a little makeover coming soon. You guys will see it. They have so many different varieties of this. I've seen a lot of people make a lot of DIYs with it. So you can use it for the wall, but you can also use it for DIYs. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with it. But they have so many different patterns there, guys, that you can do so many things with. I grabbed this one, and I also grabbed this gold one right here, which is so pretty. I love this one, this gold print. I plan to use this to make over something as well, so stay tuned for that. But they have so many different ones for $1.25, and some people might think that just getting like this little square is not worth $1.25, but if you go to Home Depot and Lowe's, you do get to get some stuff like this. It will cost more for the length of it, so you kind of have a better bang for your buck when you get at Dollar Tree. Of course, buying a lot of these will add up, but it's still cheaper than Home Depot or Lowe's. So grab those if you see them, the ones that you want, before they're all gone. And so I'm going to continue with the houseware stuff, so like the house decor stuff. I saw these candlesticks. I don't know if they've ever been there before. I grabbed them now because I have some Christmas DIYs that I'm going to make for you guys coming up, so stay tuned for that. But I got this one. They come in 3 different sizes. I took a picture for you guys so you guys can see the 3 different heights. Not only are they 3 different sizes, but they also are 3 different styles, which I kind of don't like, because if you're trying to make something like me where I'm trying to make everything match, it doesn't, I would want something 2 different heights, but then they don't match the style. I don't like that. But they do have 3 different styles, so just keep that in mind. So this is how this one looks. I got these 2 the same height. I think this is the smallest one I got, because from what I need it for, I needed the smaller height one. So I got 2 of them, like I said. Stay tuned for my Christmas DIY that I'm going to make with that. Another thing that was in the home decor section that I thought was so beautiful were these little jars right here. They come in a bunch of different styles and colors. I believe it was like a clear, and I forgot the other color, but they also come in different styles. I grabbed this peachy pink one that kind of has this pattern to it. I think it's so beautiful. I will share with you guys later on how I plan to use this. I'm not going to only use it for decoration. I'm going to use it for another use as well. So stay tuned for that. But these are gorgeous for a bunch of different things. Another thing that they had that I saw new in Dollar Tree was they had their home decor section of decorating stuff is so amazing that they're even bringing out things. They look like are already DIY'd. A lot of times we have bought stuff and we'll grab this piece, we'll grab this piece, and we'll put them together to make a DIY creation. But a lot of the stuff in the home decor section is already, you know, DIY'd itself and looks beautiful already for $1.25. So they had this one section where it's like an end cap where they had so many different signs for your house, different sizes that they had, different styles that they had, so many different signs for your home that can go in your kitchen, your living room. And this one right here, I fell in love with. I grabbed it. It says home is home where family gathers and friends meet and roots grow. And it's so beautiful. It has like that wood grain look, and then it also already has like some greenery on it, so it's like it's already like DIY'd itself for $1.25. And this is a pretty good size sign. I love this. I plan to use this in my living room, but they have so many other ones there too, so definitely check them out. A lot of times, like, we've always had to DIY, but I'm seeing that Dollar Tree is like either watching or they're just DIYing stuff themselves, and so they're saving us a step and they're saving us money because they're already DIYing stuff. So I think that's amazing. Another thing I want to share with you guys, that's also in this section where the wall creation removal decal is these drawer liners and also this contact paper. I love getting the marble one. You guys are going to see some DIYs coming up. I don't know if I've already showed it or it's going to come up on my channel, where I've been using the marble a lot to make to update some furniture, to DIY it. But Dollar Tree does have marble contact paper, and Dollar Tree also has marble vinyl top liner for the drawers. I love these. You can use them for, you know, what it's intended for, or to DIY with. But they also have brought out so many different styles of the contact paper, and also of this vinyl top. Usually this vinyl top only had like 3 different styles. Now they have so many different other ones that I took pictures for you guys so you guys can see. They have so many different styles that that you can choose from, not just the marble, not just the beige one that they usually have. They have so many so much more. And again, you don't only have to use this to, you know, to line your drawers. You can also use this for DIY. So you can just, I mean, your creation can go wild with this stuff. You can use this for so many things. But definitely check out your Dollar Tree because they're bringing out more different patterns, and for other people, you know, other people's style. Because not everybody loves marble. I love marble, but not everybody does. But they're bringing out so many more things for, you know, for the different styles. Now, another thing I wanted to share with you guys that was in the home decor section, in the candle section. I've never seen these before, but they probably have been there, but I've never seen them before, but I want to share with you guys, is these LED emergency candles. I think this will be great for DIYs, especially coming up in the fall and Christmas time. So definitely grab these if you see them, and you get 2 for $1. In the beauty section, I saw this Sassy and Chic dual-ended facial mask applicator. I think this is amazing to grab, especially also not only for masks, but if you ever have jars for your face, like I have like jars for my morning serum and my nighttime serum, and sometimes, you know, you don't want to do your fingers, you want to like get every little bit you can. Well, to have this little spatula for just that will be perfect. So I think this is cute to have. They also come in different colors, but you guys know I love pink. Another new thing that I saw was this digital thermometer that was like in the shape of like a little frog, which I thought was so cute. I'm not sure how great this will work, but stay tuned. I will let you guys know on Instagram stories or something, or maybe I'll make a video of all the stuff that I bought from Dollar Tree to see if it works. I'll let you guys know how great this works. But I thought it was so cute to have for the little ones. They also have a regular thermometer, which I didn't know before at Dollar Tree. Again, I don't know how great the quality is. If you guys have tried it, let me know down below how great the quality is. But it's something to try for $1.25 to especially just to keep around. You never know, especially with the fall seasons coming up and kids are going back to school. They are going to get sick because they're going to be around each other again. And it's just great to have extra thermometers on hand. We're going to jump into the kitchen stuff right now. This is part of like the kitchen and barbecue stuff. I was super excited to find these. These are the wax basket liners. Dollar Tree had the basket liners, the red basket liners. I haven't seen them this year, but they had them last year and I bought them. And these little papers are great to go with them. And when you look on Amazon, if you buy those baskets and these papers, they're like double or triple the price that you would get them for at Dollar Tree. So the fact that I found these little wax papers are amazing. I got 4 packs of them because a lot of my Dollar Trees did not have them. There was this one Dollar Tree that I visited for the first time and it had it. And if you guys have seen my video before, I share with you guys how I use those baskets for a potato bar, for a hot dog bar, and different ideas for it. I'll link that video down below. And I used the napkins to line the baskets and also wax paper because I didn't have these. But now I can use these, so that will make it even more amazing. So definitely check out that video because I give you guys ideas on the little the little baskets, on how to use them and how you can have like your own little get together at home and stuff with those. Another thing that was in the kitchen section that was new is that these are not new items, but they're in new colors. In my last Dollar Tree haul video, I shared with you guys all the new back to school stuff, and I was telling you guys how I'm super excited that they finally have white and black containers and white and black organizational products, because sometimes we don't want all those crazy colors, and I'm into that neutral look now, especially downstairs. And so I saw that they had white, just plain white measuring cups and white scoopers. So well, not scooper, what is this thing called? Like, everybody calls it, this is called a silicone spoon. Some people call this a spatula. Some people call this a silicone spoon, but whatever it is, they have it in white. So I definitely had to grab it, and I was actually losing some of my other measuring spoons. Like, I couldn't find my half teaspoon or something, so I wanted to get a new set anyway because I have lost some in my other set, and it was a crazy color. So the fact that I have it in white now, I can have some neutral colors in my kitchen. I'm super excited about that. So if you're like me and you want the neutral colors, definitely go grab them. Another thing I want to share with you guys, I don't know if it's new, but it's the first time I've ever seen it, is I saw these mini baking cups, which I have these little mini tins, but I've never seen the baking cups, the little baking liners at Dollar Tree. So I saw these, and one thing I want to warn you guys about is, well, I'll warn you about it in the big ones, but the little ones, it comes in 50 count, and I got these gray ones, which are really cute. I also got these blue polka dot ones as well. But when it comes to the big cupcake liners, again, I know they have big cupcake liners, but what I want to share with you guys about this is that you need to watch the numbers. So this one, these two packs right here, it says is a 75 pack. So 75 come in here, and you get 75 of the big one. But there is also another one that says 50 pieces of what did I say, pack? 75, this is a 75 piece. There is also one, I'm getting tongue-tied. There is also one in the same section that says 50. So when you go grab these, make sure that you're looking, because one of them does say 50 and a 50 piece, and then there's another one that says 75 piece. So you get the better bang for your buck. But also there is another one right here that has different colors that says 100 piece. So whenever you're grabbing these cupcake liners or anything in Dollar Tree, and it's like it goes by a count of pieces, definitely check the numbers, because sometimes they'll get you and they'll put ones that are just like a 50 piece, a 25 piece, 75 piece, and then they'll have one that's like 100. So you want to get the most bang for your buck. So definitely check out the numbers next time. Another new thing that I saw were these little mini candy jars with lid. They come in a 2-pack. I think these are amazing for organization, for not just for parties, because that's what they have right here. This was in the party section actually, but you can use this for a lot of organization, especially craft organization. And you get 2 for $1.25, which this in, you know, Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Joann's would be much more. And you can get these little organization for $1.25. They do have it to where you can have it like this, or it can be set like this. So I love when they can have it multiple ways. I got 2 packs of those for some organization that I'll share with you guys later. Another new organization that I saw was this handbag storage organization, and this is amazing. I'm going to use it to organize some things coming up, so stay tuned for that. I told you guys in my last video, my last Dollar Tree video, that I know that I've told you guys I'm going to make some organizational videos. They are coming up. I'm just waiting for the girls to go back to school, so I have more time at home to just do organization products, because right now it's the summertime and I just want to spend time with family. But the organization products, the organization videos are coming soon, so just bear with me. And I'm going to be using a lot of these closet essential organization stuff that I've been seeing to organize my home. So the last thing I want to share with you guys is some cleaning products that I found. Everybody's been talking about this all-purpose cleaner, this peppermint sage all-purpose cleaner. I love how it looks. It looks very sleek. It looks very nice. I did use it already. I will say that I do like the smell of it. If you don't like peppermint, you're not going to love this. I do love the smell of it. The reason why I got it was because a lot of people said it cleaned well. I'm not sure how well it cleans because I can't really tell how well it cleans. I do like it for the peppermint, because I've told you guys before, spiders do not like the scent of peppermint, and with the heat here in Texas, we've had a lot of like spiders trying to come in our house, even like ants coming in our house. And so I like to spray this to keep the spiders away. So I actually ran out of my homemade peppermint cleaner a while back. So the fact that they had this for $1.25, I decided to try it. I already bought it. I've used it in my kitchen. It does give a peppermint scent. I like it. My husband actually doesn't like it, but it keeps the spiders away. So I love it. So if you see this, grab it. I don't like the spray bottle because I don't get, like, once your hands are wet, you don't get like a good grip on it. But some people like this little sleek look. So definitely it's a try if you guys want to try it out. And another new thing that I saw in the cleaning section was this little soap dispenser brush, where it has like where you put the soap right here and it has a little brush. I was super excited to find this because I had just seen Beauty and the Beastins, Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastins, she was sharing some new stuff that she got in her beach house, for her beach house. And one of the clean things was she got this off of Amazon. And so I was, I think it was like the Brillo. I forgot what brand it was, but I was happy to find one that was $1.25. I'm not sure how much she spent on it, but I'm pretty sure that a lot of these brushes that are like this, they're a little bit more than $1.25. So to find this one that was $1.25, I was super excited to find it. It's something new in the stores because I've never seen it before. So if you want it, grab it now because it might be all gone by the next time you want to get it. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below all the new things that you're finding at Dollar Tree, some things that maybe I haven't shared so I can be on the lookout for. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.